Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and I thought I knew all of my small ABUS locks, but apparently I don't, because this is an all brass shackle, brass bodied ABUS 6530. I don't think I've ever seen an all brass long shackle version of an ABUS 30mm padlock before. Key is a classic 4-pin up down bitting, and works quite nicely. The shackle's a little bit bent. It is shimmerable. But it is also lovely. I don't recognise that keyway very well. It doesn't remind me of many little ABUS locks, but there we go. Just going to pop in top of the keyway tension, 4, 3, 2's binding. There we go, 1's binding now, really far up, that's good. Nothing on 4, 3, real load of counter rotation there. There we go. But did we drop a pin? I think we dropped pin 1. Just there we go, get my pick back. And that was 2. Let's get back to pin 1 again. Come on, you. There we go, into that full set. So trying to pick these pins without them dropping back down seems to be quite tough. Let's get that pin 1 again, into that full set again. It is that pin 3, I think. Let's just check, yeah, it is one of the pins at the back. What a pain. Can we do it? There, we got something, but did we drop pin 1 again? I think we did. And we got the open. Wow. What a fun little lock, playing spool ping pong there. I mean, I've always said that ABUS do offer pretty good value for lock pickers, but what a cute little lock. Makes me think, can we rake it? Be careful. Let's give that a go too. So I'm still going to do top of the keyway tension, because this keyway here with that sharp bit of water at the bottom, I found it's almost impossible to tension using oh yeah, there we go. Bottom of the keyway, because it just slips around and blocks the keyway. Yeah, but what a lovely little lock. An ABUS 6530 brass long shackles. Anybody seen this before? Anybody seen one of these? Have one of these? I would love to know in the comments. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. If you like videos like this, want to see more videos like it, then hit that like, subscribe, notifications, all really helps my channel out, and I really appreciate it. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.